Hello guys, today we're working on a BMW 2024 Brooklyn Frozen Grey color, and it's absolutely stunning, and we take you from the process from the beginning to middle to end. So guys, again, to prep these panels, what we need to do, yesterday we did multiple washes, but was very, it's obviously it's frozen color, so what we did, we did clay bar, the top of the vehicle, and you would see it's carbon, and there was a lacquer. Rest of the car is no lacquer, it's just one stage matte gray color. So what we did, we make sure we got completely clean buckets, okay? That's the first thing first. After that, lots of moisture, lots of water, liquid, and then I use the microfiber towel, right? Very soft one, brand new again. And this way we minimize any scratches whatsoever. Why is this important? Because if we do any scratch, what happen after, we can't polish this paint. The car can't be polished, and the reason for that, because it's only one stage, there is no lacquer. So we can't polish this paint, otherwise become too glossy, this paint. So we can't do it at all. So we got one shot to make, in terms of washes, strip it, everything, all the oils, all the decontaminants, anything in terms of the bags. So it's more like chemical wash, because we can't polish this car, okay? That's one thing. Another thing was, in terms of rinsing, we use low pressure adapter, so we use this one instead of this one. It's half of power, but still rinsing really nice. But it's very important because it's only one coat of the paint, and we try to be minimizing any scratches, any pressure on a paint, and make it beautiful once again. Then, once we did our washing outside, in terms of decontamination, took us about, I would say, 1 to 2 hours to use the air blower and completely strip it down any water on a panel, which is most important thing, because you don't want any dropping lines with the water, anything like that on a car before you put ceramic coating, right? So we did that with the air hose, 1 to 2 hours. So it was literally time consuming is in preparation, I would say. And after that, we dilute 50-50 of alcohol and water, 50-50. And we wipe whole car with alcohol, with the water, like I said, 50-50, we wipe it off, which is another thing which is very important on this particular paint before you put ceramic coating. The last thing will be, in terms of this beautiful car, piano black trims and grille. We're going to polish it because there will be defects, even 300 miles on the clock, but it's already defects, swirly, scratchy. The best way to do with this type of car, to put PPF once again, and even for the car, if clients decide they want to protect from the stone chips, it's the best thing to do PPF. We can do matte PPF, we do glossy PPF, so it's completely up to client. And in terms of this car, like I said, we're going to polish this front grille and then seal it with ceramic coating. So now, guys, most important thing, another important thing is everything is preparation, right, before ceramic coating. So we use 50-50 alcohol, and we're going to wipe it with a 50-50 alcohol front panel, front grille, and then we put ceramic coating. So all the contaminants, any water spots, anything like that, with the 50-50, any oils, 50-50 alcohol would take that off and make beautiful again, yeah? And ready for the ceramic coating. Guys, now it's time to apply ceramic coating. So we prep the panel 50-50 with alcohol. Now carbon collective we're going to apply on the panels. And what is very important thing is the towers. You want the proper panel wipes from Carbon Collective. It's great towers. They would scoop absolutely everything. So brand new towers, ceramic coating, and we're ready to go. So guys, we're ceramic coating the windows, we're ceramic coating the body of the car, and now we're going to dress these tires with ceramic coating, even the alloys. So the preserve, protect was a bit of work because BMW suffer especially from the dust from the brakes, so they need to be done more often, I would say every 2 weeks. And yeah, deeply I would say once a month, very deeply. But now we're going to put the gel on the tires, dress them too, preserve them. Nothing like any kind of car wash is what they use, very acidic stuff. Even when we approach to these alloys in terms of acids, there was 3 acids, so the color looks same, would look same for long time if you used 3 acids, I would say, on your alloys. So the color will be shiny, glossy, and preserve. Once again, what we did with this one, extra ceramic coated. So that's why they look shiny and glossy, and once again, beautiful. Hi guys, so thank you very much for all your support on YouTube channel or any media. Thank you very much. We finished this beautiful project with BMW, and it's a lovely preserve and protect with ceramic coating for 5 to 7 years. And once again, we finished the polishing, preserve it with ceramic coating. In terms of interior, we touch little things in terms of hoover, but nothing dramatic. So thank you very much once again, and like, share, subscribe if you didn't do it yet, and see you with the next one. Thank you very much.